This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Back in 2018-19 this home was total updated with new electric, plumbing, kitchen, bath, windows, furnace, air conditioner, siding, shingles and more. Just move into this one-level home with great kitchen that is open the living room, large laundry room, 2 bedrooms and very nice full bath. Enjoy the deck this summer or your front porch. This property also has a large metal building for garage or shop area. For more information, review the details below.